I go to the supermarket. I take a cart. I pay the net cash. I carry the bags. I go to the checkout. I buy a bottle of water. I buy a bag of sugar. I enter the store. I pick a shopping cart. I check my list. I see fresh fruits. I choose ripe apples. I pick fresh vegetables. I buy tomatoes. I buy potatoes. I buy onions. I take a loaf of bread. I pick a milk pack. I buy eggs. I choose cooking oil. I read the price tags. I compare prices. I look for discounts. I put items inside. I keep the cart moving. I ask for help. I buy snacks. I buy biscuits. I buy chocolate. I buy rice. I buy flour. I buy salt. I buy soap. I buy toothpaste. I stand in line. I wait my turn. I place items on counter. I scan the products. I pay the bill. I get the receipt. I pack the groceries. I use carry bags. I check the receipt. I thank the cashier. I leave the store. I load the bags. I walk to my car. I keep the receipt safe. I feel satisfied. I go back home. I unload the bags. I keep food inside. I store items properly. I clean my hands. I rest at home.